Alright, so today we're going to be doing the Reflectors Sequential. And I got these at the Kate store. Alright, so first you're going to do is remove this plastic here. Just put your hand in there. Pull it right off. That's it. And then you got two bolts here. One here. And then one here. I used one of these for the one inside. Let me take that off and then I'll show you how it looks. Alright, now that you got these two bolts removed, right here, this one and that one, all you gotta do is pull back. If I can get a hold of it. Oh, there it is. Alright. And then you see the little harness right there. All I gotta do is press that. Like this. Pull. That's it. Put that aside. And you're gonna wanna cut the black cover so you can get into the wires. Okay, so now that you got both of them off, right? I already took the other one off. It's basically the same process from this one to that one, the same thing. But the colors on each side are different. Okay, that's that. And then look at this one. They're different. So you got your reflector, right? And then these are your colors, right? Red is the brake, blue is running, yellow is your signal, and black is your ground. So from the driver's side, which is the left, right, this one, you have your brown is your brake. Your brown is going to be your brake. Your green and black, green with the black little line is going to be your running. And then your blue and brown, which will be this one right here, blue and brown, will be your signal. And then the same thing for the other. It's gonna be different for the passenger. So now you have your pink, which is brake, will be this pink. And then you have your blue brown. Your where is it? Your brown black, sorry. Brown black right here, this one. Your brown black. The brown black will be the running. And then you have your white orange. Your white orange is going to be your signal. Alright, but I'll post a picture so you guys can see it. Okay, now that you got all that down, right, we're going to remove the old reflectors. Okay? So, these have one screw. Alright, so in order to remove a reflector, you have a screw, which is that one right here. And then you can see it. So you got, where is it? Right there, the one on the left. Not the one for the tips. The one right next to it. So we're gonna remove that one and then pop them off. Alright, now that you remove the reflector, right? You're gonna put your ground, right? The black. For both reflectors, the ground, I'm gonna use this little 10mm right here on the side. I don't know if you guys can see that. Right there. I just put it in there, and then we're gonna start connecting. So for the red one, right, on the reflector on the new one, the red is the brake, which is red, goes with pink. You put it on the pink, and now we're gonna do blue. Is your running, so you're gonna do your running with your blue and black. I mean your brown and black right here. My fault, brown and black. I just missed it. Right, so we're gonna use these little tabs to get in here, and then I'm gonna plug those in, and then I'll show you how it looks. Okay, now that you got that done, make sure they're on. Make sure everything works fine. You know, make sure everything works fine. What you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to cut the wire here. You have to cut it because this black thing, this right here, does not fit through this little hole. So you have to cut that and then get the wires in and then connect them in the back. Now that you got them on, make sure everything's right. I got all my wires. I'm just gonna make them look pretty. Don't forget the small screw here from this one to transfer it to those screws, and then